In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Instacart app. Whether you're new to Instacart or just need a refresher on the process, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the app with ease. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open the Instacart app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main home page. This is where your Instacart journey begins. Now select the store from which you'd like to shop. You can do this by browsing through the list of available stores in your area or simply searching for a specific store name. After choosing your preferred store, you'll be directed to its storefront where you'll see a variety of items for sale. It's time to add items to your cart. Browse through the categories or simply use the search bar to find specific products you need. Once you've found an item you want, tap on it to see more details. Next, click the Add to Cart button. You'll need to repeat this step for each item you'd like to purchase. Don't worry if you change your mind, you can easily adjust the quantities in your cart later on. As you continue shopping, make sure to review what's in your cart occasionally to ensure you've got everything you need. When you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click on the cart icon, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your cart overview page. Here you can review all your chosen items, make any last-minute changes, and see the estimated total for your order. Moving on to the next step, hit the Go to Checkout button. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter or confirm your contact information, which is crucial for delivery purposes. Be sure your phone number and address are correct to avoid any delivery mishaps. The next phase involves selecting a payment method. Click the Add Payment Method option and choose your preferred way to pay, whether it's via credit card, debit card, or another option available within the app. Enter your payment details as requested. If you already have a payment method saved, you'll simply need to confirm it. Once your payment method is set, review your order one more time for accuracy. After everything is confirmed, click Continue to finalize your order. Congratulations, you've successfully placed an order on Instacart. From here, you'll receive updates on the status of your order right up until it's delivered to your door. Keep an eye on your notifications for any updates from your shopper regarding substitutions or delivery timing. Thank you for tuning in today and happy shopping on Instacart.